Hello, all my chef and chefettes. It's your culinary artist, Chef Paul, coming to you from the Chaney kitchen once again. No Instant Pot today, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Set that out of the way. Now today, for all of my followers, it is a salad, a simple salad. Spring has sprung, and I am bringing you the watermelon salad because this salad, it fits perfectly with those spring and summer parties. And I know they're starting to happen. But you know what? Before we get into the salad, I want to first recognize my mentor, Chef Hollis. Chef Hollis, he was inspirational in my early learning and continues to provide guidance to me today. Chef Thomas is also responsible for me in this white jacket. Right on. I guess he saw my skills and rewarded me accordingly. Now today's recipe, it also comes directly from Chef Hollis. So again, thank you, Chef. Now my second recognition is to all those beautiful, lovely ladies that are down in Florida with my wife on the ladies retreat. Thanks for following Chef Chaney as I explore these culinary delights. And just please stay tuned because hopefully I'll have many more to come. Hey, lastly, I want to share a quick story. This is about the watermelon salad. So one weekend I'm sitting around, so let me invite the fellas over. So I was having a party, also known as a shindig, and had some of my friends over. So it was my first time putting this watermelon salad together. I didn't know how people were gonna respond. I said, okay, I'm just gonna do it. But come to find out, the watermelon salad, it was the hit of the party, and it disappeared quicker than a $100 bill at your local casino. So here's your ingredients. You got your cubed watermelon. Just gonna take some of those and put them in here. You can also use an ice cream scoop if you want, the round balls. Also the feta cheese, you can use either a 4 or 8 ounce container depending on the size. And you're just gonna sprinkle that on top of the watermelon. You got your thinly sliced onions. Just gonna place those over the salad accordingly. And then you have your lemon juice. With your lemon juice, you want to use 8 ounces of lemon juice, depending on your taste and also the size of the watermelon. And you're just going to pour that over top of there. But let me grab a completed version just to show you what it looks like. And this is how you'll serve it at a party. Oh! You get the strong acidic flavor of the red onion. Mixed with the sweet and savory of the watermelon. You get the saltiness of the feta cheese. And then you get the tartness of the lemon juice. Very refreshing. Wow. When you mix all of those flavors, you get a ton of taste magnifying in your mouth. Wow. So again, thanks for tuning in. Our goal is 500. What is 500, you may ask? I'm sending this to 100 people, and I'm asking each of you to send it to 5 people. 500. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube, or follow me on Pinterest at Chef Chaney, or you can email me at chefchaney1911 altogether at gmail.com. Hey, make sure you enjoy. It's so refreshing. I can stand here and eat this all day. And this is exactly what happened at the party. Once people dug in and start tasting those flavors, oh man. Good. Again, you're with your culinary artist, Chef Paul, coming to you right from the Chaney kitchen. I appreciate you. Thanks for following. I'm out.